I have this 1995 Ford F-150 pickup truck, and I don't like the way the steering has so much slop in it, so I'd like to tighten that up a little bit. We do that through the steering box. So let me show you how that's done. Okay, and here is, if you look, here's the steering column shaft, and it goes down to right here. Here's the steering box. Okay, here's the power steering hoses. One goes, one's a high pressure, one's a low pressure. But here's what we're looking at, this bolt. And you see it has a little thing for a screwdriver, a little notch for a screwdriver. So let me take this plastic thing off here. Okay, so I just took off this little air vent. It sucks the air into the air cleaner over here. But anyway, I just did that so I have better access. So here it is. Here's the notch. Here's the bolt. So let me loosen that up. So here it is right here. This happens to be a Ford, but Chevy does the same thing. Everybody has the same thing. What I did is I just put a little yellow marker here, just so I know which way this is going. So, since I know this is a long reach, this is a 5/8 socket. So I'll use a ratchet with extension and break that loose. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we broke it loose. Okay, so I have my wrench on there, and let me get on here and just give this just a little bit of a turn. Now I want to check the steering to see if it tightened it up. Okay, it needs to go just a touch more. Maybe adjust a little bit. No, I just do it a little and check it, a little and check it. There. That is a full half turn. Okay, that is all we want to do. So, just going to tighten this up. Okay, I have my 5/8 socket on there, and I just give it a little tighty turn, tighten it up, and there it is. That's all you do. Don't turn it too much. It doesn't need a lot. So now I come back to the steering wheel, and it's tightened up quite a bit. So we're just going to leave it like that. See, and here's inside the manual for Ford. Once again, it tells you to, that's an adjusting screw. And you just tighten it up to tighten the mechanism up. So it's not hard, it's the same for most vehicles. Alright, here's the same thing again. This happens to be a 70 Chevelle, and here's the steering box itself. Here's the high and low pressure, and here it is. Here's the nut. This one just has an Allen screw on it. It's the same thing. You just loosen this up, tighten this down a little bit, hold the Allen wrench, and just tighten it back up. Alright, just to show you that you've seen one, you've seen them all. This one is from a Chevy, and it shows you right here. Here's the lock nut and the adjuster. So all you have to do is loosen that and tighten it up a little bit until the steering is not loose.